This is the video to learn how to enable or disable touch screen in Windows 11. Click this search and type REGEDIT. Open this registry editor. Now in this registry editor, expand HKey current user. Then software. Then Microsoft. This one, expand it. Scroll down and find out folder WISP. Expand it. Double click on touch folder. Here you have to create this touch get key. Double click on it and make value data 0. Then click on OK. If you don't have, so you can create it. Click any empty area, new and debug 32. Type here touch get. You have to write the T and G capital. Now double click and make 0. Then click on OK. Now exit and restart your PC or laptop. So this is the easy and quick way to enable or disable this setting. Thanks for watching. Comment this video is useful for you and subscribe this channel.